Hi! So, mag-unboxing tayo. I order a new perfume, Yara. So, this is the Tafa brand. Yara, the pink one. Patitignan natin kung gaano siya kabango kasi trending nga siya somewhere. So, let's see kung ano ang meron sa kanya. Packaging, ganda. Babaeng babae. Diba?
You get everyone to join your little rebellion, so you can get rid of them all at once.
Yeah. So, now,
You're right, because after all those
bubuksan na
assholes
natin
from
siya.
everyone decided to spare him. There's a reason for that, isn't there?
Oh,
Well, in any case, we've got
so cute the bottle. Look at the bottle. Ang lakas makashala. So, ito si Yara Latafa. Bottle pa lang. Diyos ko. Ang lakas makayama. Look at this. So, touch of pink and gold.
Oh, you poor
Oh my God.
What did I tell you?
Ang ganda ng bottle niya. Pero, sa amoy tayo
It was the
magkakatupas.
vengeful souls
Let's
hovering
see.
over you that dragged you here.
So, may iba-iba kasing scent ko. Ito yung nakuha ko. Very mild.
Bringing it to your ears from the dead.
Ang mild ng amoy.
But cover them all you want. It won't stop the noise.
Hindi siya ganun ka-strong. Hindi siya pang Arabic.
You're going to continue
Very mild.
now until the day that you die.
Ang sweet. Parang humihila sa Victoria's Secrets. But it's really nice. It's really cool for the price of this. But let's see kung matagal siyang nag-i-stay. So I spray today. Let's see tomorrow morning kung nandoon pa yung amoy niya. Or later.